Morning.
Right.
Yes.
Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wright. Have you been here before?
Not been here, no.
Okay. Welcome to Westbury Court
Thank
Gardens.
you.
So you're okay with the scooter? It's fairly flat all the way around.
Right.
The only place, if you can manage the steps to go up into the pavilion, and there are then 2 steps at the top end of the garden, but you can turn round and come back,
Right.
or go all the way round and then come back that way.
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
I'll give you a little leaflet.
Thank you. That's lovely.
So we are unique, being the last remaining Dutch water garden in the UK, first laid out in 1696.
Wow.
Would have been part of a large estate at one time with a house, but unfortunately the house is long gone, just the
Yes.
garden remaining.
Lovely.
Enjoy your visit.
Thank you very much. So Westbury Court Gardens, admission, standard admission £6. So there we go. It's alright for ducks. And there is a, apparently there's a steps, visitors. Morning. So this is quite literally in the middle of nowhere. There is actually the River Severn somewhere over that way. Under this mushroom tree. Well, here we are. Today's National Trust property is Westbury Court Gardens, near to Gloucester. Well, it's actually quite a long way out from Gloucester, along the River Severn. Follows it for a little while, and then it's in the middle of nowhere. Basically, it's a small village. It's a very beautiful. I can smell the flowers now. We're gonna see it in a minute, I think. The actual last remaining garden, apparently. There used to be a house. I'll have to look up in my Bible and just check out what the actual details are. There's a very nice church over the road, which quite pretty. So this is today's National Trust property. Let's go and have a look around, shall we? Oh. Lovely. Great. Hello, young man. Hello. You following me? Oh. You're following me. It's the garden's layouts is segmented into sections. Hello, young man.
Oh,
Ah,
oh.
I think they're cherry blossoms. There's a cherry blossom tree. I'm no good with flowers. No idea. No idea whatsoever. And there's a proper path around the outside, which is good. And it is a proper path. It's not one of those gravel paths. Very annoying. Those annoying gravel paths. There's a little.
Very pretty. Mum, did you see how this bush is clipped?
There are no live rabbits. Ah. So this is the rabbit pond. There is actually a pretend rabbit. So there's a little bit about rabbits. Today's rabbits from the Old English name coney. So only the young coney were called rabbits. They were introduced from Iberia by the Normans, mainly for meat. Well, there is a bridge there. I'm not sure where it goes. It's to the picnic area apparently. Work in progress. That's a bit like my videos. A work in progress. There's a very nice little picnic area down there. Down there under the trees, lovely. Now, this is the type of gravel that they need to put everywhere because this is actually quite good. There's a little pond with a statue, and to my left-ish is the church spire. It's not actually part of the garden, it's probably part of the village actually, to be honest. So a little secluded garden in here. Laid out really nice. It's one of the more enjoyable gardens, I have to say, that I've been in. Yeah, very good. So I think you can hear the road, the main road, which is right next door to the garden. Yes. There's a little building there, outhouse down there, and there. So there's a couple of steps, which obviously you would need to be able to do. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Very beautiful garden actually. You can see that there. That is exactly what it looks like. T-shaped pond. This is I think this is the point where they mentioned that there was some steps. So this is where the steps are, just here. So you can't really go down. You would have gone down there and then up that side there, but you can't. So that's unfortunate, but never mind. You can always double back. Nice little pond. There we go. So we have to head back down this way. There's actually a smell of cucumber for some reason. I don't know why. There you go. That's the formal flowery area. So, such a lovely day. Not hugely warm, but it's warm enough that I've come out without the jacket. Apparently you can go up the tower and there is a good view, so it's quite a few steps apparently, so not going to bother with that. See the wildlife if you go up. So there's ducks and moorhens and kingfishers and carp in the canals, trout in the brook, and there's different blue flowers. So it's like a little competition for the children to occupy them. Well, there we go. That's my end of my visit to Westbury Court Gardens Natural Trust down near, we're not too far away from Gloucester. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed that brief trip. That is actually the best accessible garden that I've ever been in so far. So really enjoyed that. And if you have, then give us a thumbs up, a like and a share, and catch you again next time for another one.